Hello, welcome friends. Me Anila. The topic of my discussion is cooking at high altitude. But before this, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Friends, in this video, I will tell you about why cooking is difficult at high altitude. Altitude means from the surface of earth vertically, while latitude means from surface of earth horizontally. So on those areas which are on altitude, cooking is difficult. Why? I will give you the reason. First of all, I will tell you about pressure. What is pressure? The force exerted on an area. What is atmospheric pressure? The force exerted on surface of earth by the air is called atmospheric pressure. Its value is 1 atmosphere or 760 millimeter of mercury or 760 torr. So the force that is exerted by air on the surface of earth is called atmospheric pressure. Its value in different units are 1 atmosphere, which is equal to 760 millimeter of mercury, which is equal to 760 torr. These are units of pressure. Now, what is vapor pressure? It is a measure of tendency of material to change into gaseous state or vapor state. For example, when we heat a liquid, then liquid starts boiling, the vapors are formed. These vapors exert pressure on the surface of liquid. This pressure is called vapor pressure. So I have told you about pressure, atmospheric pressure, vapor pressure. Now, boiling point. What is boiling point? The temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to atmospheric pressure is called boiling point of liquid. For example, for water it is 100 degrees centigrade. Actually, I have told you about this that when we heat liquid, for example, water, the temperature of water increases, the vapors are formed, these vapors exert pressure on the surface of liquid. When this pressure becomes equal to atmospheric pressure, that is 1 atmosphere, so at that temperature is called boiling point of liquid. For example, for water it is 100 degrees centigrade. When we start increasing the temperature of water at 100 degrees centigrade, vapor pressure of water becomes equal to atmospheric pressure and water starts boiling. At sea level, when we cook food, temperature of container increases when it reaches to 100 degrees centigrade, that is boiling point of water. The vapor pressure of water becomes equal to atmospheric pressure. Boiling starts and at low time food is cooked. So now at sea level when we cook food, the temperature of container gradually increases and the vapors are formed when it reaches to 100 degrees centigrade, which is the boiling point of water. The vapor exerts pressure on the surface of water. This pressure when equals to atmospheric pressure, which is 1 atmosphere or 760 millimeter of mercury or 760 torr, then boiling starts and at low time food starts to cook. This is because it is at the sea level where atmospheric pressure is 1 atmosphere. Higher altitude. The people living in higher altitude have difficulty in cooking food. Why? Because atmospheric pressure decreases. So when we cook food due to decrease in atmospheric pressure, water starts boiling at low temperature. So boiling point of water decreases and there is difficulty in cooking food because temperature and pressure has direct proportional relationship. So it takes long time to cook food. On higher altitude, because atmospheric pressure decreases when we cook food, then the temperature of water increases, but due to decrease in atmospheric pressure, water start boiling at low temperature. So boiling point of water decreases and the food is not cooked properly. Because temperature and pressure has direct relationship, that means if pressure decreases, temperature also decreases. So it takes long time to cook food. Solution. What is the solution for this? By using a pressure cooker, internal pressure increases and water will boil at high temperature and food is cooked faster. So when we use a pressure cooker, we increases the internal pressure of container. Due to increase in internal pressure, water starts boiling at high temperature. Because due to increased pressure, temperature also increases and food is cooked faster. Friends, if you have any question, you can ask me on comments. I can help you. Thanks.